Hey lovelies, and welcome back. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. In today's video I'm going to show you how I made these cheetah print press-on nails with the Makartts Classic Elegant for 24-piece gel set. I've already done a video a while ago of swatching, and I've just recently done these press-ons. But obviously this swatching video will go up just before this one, even though I done it a while ago. It'll go before this one. So basically, I've seen a lot of cheetah print nails going around on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and I just fell in love. So I decided to do some lovely blue and green sort of ocean coloured themed, even though it's an animal. It still looked pretty cool. I'm happy with it, and it's really easy and really simple to do, guys. There is not much effort needed. So yeah, going on to the actual set now. I've already picked out my sizes and I stuck them down with some blue tack onto the nail stand, and now I'm just buffing away the shine from the nail to help product adhere and stick better to said nail. Then I go in with a even layer of base coat, once I'd obviously buffed, to all of the nails, and then I cured for 60 seconds. Once I'd done this, I then applied that lovely nude colour to my middle and ring finger, and then I applied, obviously there's 3 different colours, so I applied one to my index, pinky and thumb. I applied 2 coats. I think I've said applied so many times already, it's so weird. I did do 2 coats on each nail with each colour, just to give it a full opacity, but these gels, you can get away with 1 coat. I just like to do 2 coats when I'm making press-ons because it makes them stronger, and they are really strong. I can't bend them at all. So I'm just going to let you watch this little application, and then I'll be back in time for the cheetah design. So I'll see you guys in a bit. I begin to And I'm back, guys. So as you just seen, I placed a couple of dots of each nail polish onto my palette there, and I'm now going to go in with the matte top coat, and I'm going to apply an even layer of this onto each nail and then cure for 60 seconds. I actually changed my mind and ended up using a glossy top coat on the coloured nails in the end, because I just felt like they looked better with shiny, and then the 2 accent nails as matte. As I always say, whenever I do nail art, I like to use matte top coat because it makes the design look so much more alive, and if you put shiny on, it tends to sort of take the attention away from the design itself. So that's why I done that, but I did end up changing my mind and putting glossy top coat on the thumb, index and pinky. I'm also going to be using a dotting tool and a liner, a detail brush for the design on the 2 accent nails. You can of course use a orange wood stick or a bobby pin or anything like that. So now all I'm going to do is just randomly place circles and like mismatched sort of like patches in the different colours all over the nail. And then I flash cure each, by the way, for 10 seconds between each like colour that I do. Like I'll do the blue, cure it for 10 seconds. Then I'll do the like denim blue, cure it for 10 seconds. And then I do that like lovely green teal colour, which I'm obsessed with, by the way, and cure it. Then I go in then with my liner brush and my black gel polish, and I just draw some curved lines around the circles. They don't have to be perfect again, guys, these do not have to be perfect. The more sloppier it looks, the better, in my opinion. And then, of course, going in then with some of that black polish again, I just create some little black dots in between and then cure for a full 60 seconds. Of course, wiping my dotting tool in between so that I don't transfer the colour onto the next nail. But I'm going to let you guys watch this and I will be back in a second. I'm back, guys. So now I just apply a matte top coat after, of course, curing in my lamp for a full 60 seconds on after I'd done the nail art, and then I cure again after applying the matte top coat for 60 seconds again. With the solid coloured nails, like I said, I put a shiny top coat on instead in the end, and I also pressed some rhinestones into the shiny top coat before curing, and then I cured for 60 seconds again. Of course, if you want your rhinestones to last on your nails for a longer period of time, instead of just using a top coat, even though top coats never failed me personally, I would suggest using either builder gel or some nail glue, but it's completely up to you. As you know, I take my nails off after a while. They don't stay on very, very, very long. So, what else is there? Oh yeah, I then just stuck these on with some nail glue, but I did use a peel-off base coat. Obviously, if you want them to last, don't use a peel-off base coat because they will pop off after a couple of days. But of course, if you want them to last, I would suggest prepping your nail like you would with any other nail product, and dehydrating your nail and using primer and all that good stuff, pushing back cuticles first, of course, and buffing the nail. But other than that, guys, this is pretty much the end of the video now, I think. So just stick around to watch the rest of the application and all that good stuff on the reveal, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one, guys. So thank you so much for watching. If you did like, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know what you think down below in the comments, and if you've done a set like this, I'd love to see it. You can follow me and tag me on my Instagram, which is at swalesnails_beauty. But other than that, guys, just keep on smiling, remember to stay safe, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.